So my mother and father-in-law yesterday came over and they brought us a nice box of peaches. Really tiny one. They're delicious. But they start going bad. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make some jam.
I've got everything ready for the jam. Today is Sunday. It's just going to be another cooking and prep day for the week. And these are just fresh little peaches off the ground that the deer were eating, which we feel guilty about, at my parents' house.
Oh well, so from the big box of peaches that Grandma and Grandpa brought us, we were able to peel and save probably about 2 batches of peach. We peeled them, cleaned them up, and so we're ready for the next step. We're probably going to do 1 batch and we're probably going to freeze the next one and make some probably jelly jam around the Christmas time. And question for YouTube is, do you know how to grow your own peach tree from a seed or from a peach? If you do, please comment below. We'd love to know. Thank you.
So when I'm making my jam, I do just kind of pulse my fruit in the Ninja, but then just to leave a few little chunky peach pieces, I will just kind of, these are so soft and really juicy, so I will just kind of smash those up and then add them to the pan. I just added the peaches. I went ahead and put the lemon juice. The lemon juice kind of helps them to not turn so brown. I've got them listed with the date, and then I'm just going to put these in my deep freeze because they had to be sliced and prepared. They were rotting, so I do not have enough pectin. It would be easier to go ahead and just make the double batch of jam today, but I do not have enough jars or pectin, and I am not gonna go buy those today. So these will just go in the freezer, and then I'll use this closer to Christmas for some more jam.
How long?
All right, it turned out beautiful. A little red for peach, but you know, those are fresh peaches, and the centers are just huge. get all sweaty. This is my homemade crust recipe. It is delicious. Let me know in the comments below if you would like that. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you liked this video, and I'll be talking to y'all soon.